Everything happens here first. And then what happens? Hi, I'm Usha Vijay Possibility Coach. Today I'm going to talk to you about a thought and its journey. A lot of us think of buying a car. We imagine our ride in that car. We imagine the car color. We imagine the upholstery inside. We imagine the smooth running of the car. We imagine the engine power. Imagine the boot area. We imagine that sunroof setting. All those things we imagine. It is there somewhere, but what happens to that? When the mind becomes attracted to the concept of buying a car, slowly you start thinking about the car. Then you see a newspaper. Your eyes automatically go to the cars which are found on that page. You peer into the product, looking out to see what type of car is it, what is the shape. So you end up looking at each and every car. Then you step on the road. You will find some cars passing by. Some fascinate you. You will not feel like taking off your eyes from the car. Now what is happening? It was here, now it has come down. Now you have started mentally getting entangled into the concept of looking at cars. So let us see the next step. What happens next? You drive away somewhere. You come across, you just pass by a automobile shop. You see beautiful cars at display. Your mind tells you, okay, let me go and see what it is. Then you go. You sit inside the car, you experience the interiors. The salesperson talks to you about the car, explains its features, and mentally you drive the car. Some of you may even go for a test drive. This continues for some time. Still the decision is not made. Now what do you think has happened? It was here. You got emotionally attached to the car. Now you are in the process of buying a car. Now the idea has come to your mind. Now you think about the finances, how to make things happen. So next few days goes into your exploring the different types of car and looking at your bank balance, your affordability, and your family circumstances, whether your family will like the car. So many factors. Now, again your mind is motivated to buy a car. You imagine yourself driving a car with your family in the car, going to exotic places, going for long drives, all that. So, now the idea is getting strengthened. But you don't have any money. You don't have that money to buy that car yet. What do? The drive to buy the car is so much, that want is so much, that you will go to banks now. Now you have come to the actual action plan, actual part. You go into each and every bank to see if you can get a loan in your terms. You start looking at possibilities to make it happen. Here, reasoning does not come, only that want to buy that car dominates. You will feel that No matter what, I'm going to buy that car. I will see that I buy that car. Same way, ladies and gentlemen. And you will definitely find a means to buy the car, and you will buy the car, because the need is gone. Now the want is dominating. Same way, there are so many things in your life which you want to buy, sorry, which you want to do, but you don't do, because it is only in the need stage. You need to do so many things, it is still in the need stage. It is not come, you have not got emotionally entangled with a part where you need to make the change. Then as you think more, you will start feeling the want to change. That is where the action is required. If you go on exploring, like the person exploring different showrooms and buying nothing, you will also end up doing that. You will look for so many things which you think will make your life better. Nothing is going to happen unless you take that first step to want the change and to make it happen. So, ladies and gentlemen, I would love to help you with that. I would love to make you become a better version of better version of yourself. But before that, there is one small condition. You have to get your personality assessment done. Then we can connect. DM me for details. I will send you the link. Thank you. Stay safe. Wear mask. Good day.